Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Let's again look for the top trade ideas for tomorrow. Let's start with Bank Nifty. As I mentioned yesterday that we have marked this zone of resistance from past, basically this gray area, and we were expected to kind of go for a long entry somewhere around 36,450. And today again, once again, Bank Nifty has given us a tremendous upside move on the intraday time frame basically. And then if you see over here, this steep trend line which I was talking about, without breaking below this in the morning, a perfect long side trade has been given basically. Now what is there for tomorrow in Bank Nifty to trade on basically? So if you see over here, this is 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. If you analyze, you will see that there is a kind of double top has been formed over here by Bank Nifty. And if I move on to a slightly higher time frame, if you see over here on the higher time frame as well, it's basically somewhere in the middle of nowhere basically. So if you see this range, any bullish move should actually, we should be looking for 37,135, which is the next key decision point. If you see, this is the resistance zone, which was the like the last immediate resistance where Bank Nifty actually started falling big time. So this is the area which we should be looking for on the long side. How we should be planning our trade tomorrow, again coming back onto the smaller time frame. So no trade entry before this particular level of 36,890. 36,890. If Bank Nifty breaks above this and sustain for 5 minutes, if it remains 5 minutes above this level 36,890, then only we should be looking for a buying opportunity somewhere close to these levels only, and about 50 points stop loss we will be taking, and we'll be looking for 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade. Do not go long on Bank Nifty. Seems to be a bit of exhausted right now on the upper side move. As I mentioned that all sort of these steep upside moves are expected to give some sort of reversals at some point of time. So right now also today, if you see, there was a breakdown below this trend line, could not really sustain on the key decision point of 36,588. The market reversed once again on the upper side and kind of forming a double top. Okay, so there can be a good possibility that you will see this kind of a move in coming days. However, we will not be predicting as of now anything. So on the long side, only and only to take the long entry above this level of 36,890. Let the spot sustain for 5 minutes above this level, and we will be looking for a long entry tomorrow. On the short side, again, as I mentioned, since it's going to be kind of bit counter trend or against the trend, so shorting we need a double confirmation. Let this double top survive, and somewhere around these levels over here, if Bank Nifty breaks below 36,750, stays there for 5 minutes, look for a small short opportunity. Okay, not a huge target. Once again, we will be entering over here. Your target one will be this key decision point of 36,588, and at the max you can trail your trade up till this level. I do expect that this level should be tested if there is a bearish move happening tomorrow. So 36,430 odd levels should be tested once before the market decides where to go. Okay, so these are the two scenarios for tomorrow. Let's just quickly move on to the Nifty now. So Nifty has a slightly different story over here. If you see, there was this key decision point, this area, this zone, this candle over here. If you see, this area was proven as a resistance. It broke above, and then since then it has to be retested. So today this area is tested once again. Now if there is any further bullish momentum exist in Nifty, it must cross today's high and sustain there for 5 minutes. Okay, so slightly taking it above over here, the key decision point 17,830 odd level, let it break above and remain for 5 minutes at least there. Then we should be looking for a buying opportunity. 17,830 near about those levels. 30 points will be your stop loss, and about 60 points is what you will be looking for profit targets. Once again, Nifty as well looks to be a bit exhausted, and if you see, once again we are seeing a trend line which is bit steep over here. Okay, so shorting once again below this trend line only. Do not be in a hurry to short the market. We have seen from last three sessions at least that every dip has been bought easily actually. So any opportunity where bears were trying to kind of short the markets have been grabbed by bulls, and we have seen acute upside moves. So not a very convincing setup for Nifty to short as of now. Bank Nifty you can definitely take a short as we have discussed, but for Nifty just try to avoid shorting. Look, wait, watch and look for breaking above 17,830 odd levels before going for longs. Alright, so this is for Nifty tomorrow. Some of the key stocks which you should be looking and tracking to trade tomorrow. My first pick will be Balrampur Chini. This is the biggest gainer for today, and amazingly high volumes have been seen. So let me just move on to the daily time frame. You will see that the volume is kind of astronomical over here along with the price action. Stock should survive its today's high. Before going long, what we need is let it break above 429 or 430 odd levels basically. So to be more precise, 430 would be your entry level. Take about 4 rupees stop loss and minimum 4 rupees target. 1:1 is what I'm going to look for. Do not, since the price action has happened a lot, actually a big move has been given today, do not trade Balrampur Chini with a big volume basically or big quantity, because we need to be kind of bit cautious. If there is a natural retracement gonna happen, if you see over here, if I put a basic Fibonacci over here, even the retracement of 23% comes to 415 level basically. So if a selling pressure comes, your wide stop loss might get triggered. So take the long entry. Do not try to short this stock. Take the long entry only above 430 rupees with about 4 rupees maximum stop loss, and similar will be your target basically. So minimum 1:1 you should be aiming for Balrampur Chini. The second stock today for intraday trading for tomorrow is Tata Power. Once again, on the daily, if you see over here, there is a trend line breakout given today. Okay, so this breakout has sustained, and pretty decent volumes as well, increasing volume from last 3 days, coming on to the shorter time frame where we would like to take the trade. So Tata Power, I would actually, as a conservative trader, I would prefer to let it break below this, above this 228.25 level, which is the day high for today. Let it break above this, and then we will look for an buying opportunity about 2 to 3 rupees maximum stop loss, and you should be looking for 1:1 risk to reward ratio as well over here. Why I am not giving you 1:2 today is basically because the overall Nifty and Bank Nifty seems to be a bit exhausted. We can't really expect like 150 200 points move in Nifty every day and about 500 600 points move in Bank Nifty. So after this tremendous 2 days run, there is a possibility that market might consolidate, and because of that, as an intraday trader, you should not be looking for huge targets like 1:2 1:3. Those will be days when we will be looking for these things. So right now I am expecting that tomorrow, being the Wednesday, there can be a good possibility of a consolidation as well. Okay, next stock is Indus Tower, once again on the bullish side. Okay, so if you see on the daily, again yesterday we have got a steep downwards trend line being broken. Stock has taken its support in the previous support zone. If you see, this was the zone where the stock exhibited some support. It was resistance earlier, then a consolidation zone over here, and then a double bottom kind of an structure. Okay, so same thing which we traditional bookish style W pattern over here, and I do expect the stock to reach up till the level over here. Just give me one moment. Okay, so this is the level which I would be expecting, but this is a daily chart. Just remember this thing, 264 odd levels should be coming in the few days actually, not necessarily tomorrow itself. What we can plan for tomorrow is let it break above the day high. Today's high is 257.35, so 257.40 around I'll be looking for an entry over here. Once again, about 1% stop loss, so 2.5 rupees will be your stop loss. 1:1 risk to reward ratio is what you should be looking for in Indus Towers. The last stock for today is Torrent Power. Once again, a tremendous bullish move on short time frame over here, if you see, and even on daily also it's exhibiting some good price action on the upward side. Should continue its upwards momentum. Okay, once again the trade formation will be like, if you see, this is a consolidation zone over here, kind of indecisive. Let it break above the day high for today, okay, which will be 573 odd levels. So above 573 we'll be looking for an buy opportunity in Torrent Power. 3 to 4 rupees is the stop loss, is what you should be looking for, and about 5 rupees is the minimum target you should be looking for Torrent Power. This much for today. Thank you all for watching. If you like the content, please like the video, share and subscribe the channel so that you get intimations for all the upcoming videos. Thank you all.